Veeqo Walmart tutorial 2025. In this video, I'm going to explain how to manage your Walmart store effectively using Veeqo. First, log into Veeqo and navigate to the integration section, then select Walmart. You can see here that Walmart is definitely integrates with Veeqo as it is one of their partners as well. Now again, select Walmart and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your seller account. Once connected, Veeqo will automatically sync your Walmart products and orders. This means you can manage Walmart sales alongside other channels like Shopify or eBay. Then go to Orders tab to view Walmart orders. Here you can print packing slips, shipping labels, and update tracking information. Veeqo also consolidates all orders, making it easier to track shipping statuses in one place. In the Inventory tab, you can adjust stock levels and pricing. Veeqo will automatically push these updates to Walmart, ensuring consistent information across platforms. For advanced sellers, use Veeqo's reporting features to analyze Walmart sales performance, identify top products, and monitor returns. Lastly, set up automations to streamline repetitive tasks like sending shipping notifications or updating inventory levels. This saves time and reduces errors. And that's how you use Veeqo to manage Walmart sales in 2025.